Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
GDP deflator versus CPI looks tricky, but the similarity pops fast if you focus on what both indexes can actually be used for. Start with the job each measure can do. Both track overall price changes, so both can convert a nominal number, measured in current prices, into a real number, adjusted for inflation. Now test the tempting wrong ideas. CPI uses a market basket, but the GDP deflator does not. And CPI includes imported consumer goods, while the deflator covers domestically produced output. That wipes out those lookalikes, and nothing here has anything to do with unemployment or potential output, so option A is the only shared feature. Well done! Option A! Scan now. Trap, rushing past wording. Rule, trust what is given and check each step before locking the answer.